Right, so after you've logged into the textbook, it's super easy to access now. There is the black toolbar inside of Schoology, so you'll want to be logged into Schoology. And take a look at that black toolbar at the very top. I'm going to scroll over here to the four boxes in the black toolbar. You'll just click on those to access the textbook. Right here is the textbook. You can click on, again, I'll go back. Click into those four boxes. McGraw-Hill, the red icon is our textbook. You can click on that and it will say launch app. You'll simply launch the app and it'll take you to another screen. Okay, so you can't open it inside of Schoology, but it'll take you to another screen. The student edition will look different than mine. Mine is the teacher edition. You'll just click in the student edition, you will see a Texas history textbook and you will click launch textbook. Simply click launch and it will take you directly into the textbook.